Namaste everyone, welcome in Yoga with Anmol Singh. I am Anmol Kumar. Today we practice Kandasana and Gorakshasana. So continue start, you just see because this is a small video and you see and try same. I hope you also can do. Continue start. For Gorakshasana you already know, first come in Janusirasana. Your toes going down, heel upside. Then push forward. Heel try to upside as much as you can. Knee try to touch the floor. I hope you can see. Okay, I turn little bit this side. First toes down, then hip try to push forward. Your leg come standing position. Then go forward, lengthen your spine. Relax. Change your leg. Same practice. Other side. I move this side. Then you can see easily. Drop your toes down and push your body forward. Same like Janusirasana. Leg try to push forward maximum. Then go forward. Relax. Continue next step. Same position, toes down. Hip try to push forward. Your heel come upside. And now try to go more forward. If I bend this, then more easy for me. And try to go more forward. Your heel try to come on the floor. You can hold here. You can see or not? I hope you can see toes have here. So I turn this side. You can see easily. Heel have on floor. Relax. Same practice other side. I move this side. Toes down. Heel upside. Push your heel through the hip. And slowly try to lift your body. Bend this knee, then more easy, and try to go forward and sit on your heel. You can see this side, toes have outside. You can see toes have outside. Toes you can see easily. You need hold here little bit. Relax. Same practice one time more. First drop your toes, push your heel forward, then try to sit on your heel. You can sit on heel long time. If you are beginner, then continue try to push forward. If you can sit, then sit easily. Relax. Same position, second side again. Toes down and push forward. Bend your forward knee and try to sit on your heel. Hold here. Relax. Now first we do Gorakshasana. So toes down. Same position. I am also beginner, so not think about me. Just you try. Palm back side and try to push your hip forward side. Your heel come standing position. Try to push forward maximum. Knee try to on the floor. Then catch your leg and lengthen your spine. First try to hold in Gorakshasana. Relax. Same practice, you need sit on your heel. I move this side, then I do. Same. First knee outside. Open your leg and try to knee together. This for relaxation. Continue one time more. Come in Gorakshasana and try to sit on your heel. So first go forward, lift your body up and try to sit on your heel. Relax. I can't do also. Gorakshasana you already practice. Now we do Kandasana. So catch your feet and your feet try to come just center of chest, a little bit down. Okay, ready? Lift your leg up and try to knee downside. First catch your leg and hold here. You feel ankle pain. Then if you feel, then catch your ankle, not catch here. If ankle is okay, then no problem, you can catch, then rotate. But if you feel ankle pain, catch here, you can use strap also. Then try to rotate from here. Catch your ankle, continue. Spine straight, knee try to forward side as much as you can. First catch here and hold. Relax. One time more we practice. Same position, try to leg up. Relax. I hope you all can understand how to do practice of Kandasana and Gorakshasana. If you practice continue 3-4 days, then easily you can do. We need only open ankle, rotate little bit bone, knees and hip. If practice morning and evening both time, then 3-4 days is enough. Okay, thank you. Namaste. See you next day with proper way of class. Today have Guru Purnima, so I wish you everyone for keep healthy, happy and enjoy your life. Namaste.